Remove the gimbal cover before powering on. Place the drone on a flat surface. After powering on, the gimbal will perform an automatic self-check. During flight, use the control dial to tilt the camera up or down. Gimbal cover not removed before powering on. Gimbal manually rotated multiple times after power on. Drone powered on while placed on grass. Unable to adjust the camera during use. With the drone powered off, manually rotate the gimbal to check for obstruction. Restart the drone and check if the gimbal performs the self-check. If the self-check occurs, the gimbal is working normally. If you notice obstruction or the gimbal does not self-check, record a video and email it to Gleesfun support for assistance.